Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ. We are back with latest update from CBsE and today's video is about Supplementary Exam 2025 10th and 12th. So this is a circular released by CBsE on dated 1st August 2025. This is regarding supplementary exam. As you are aware that results are already declared for both for class 12 and you can apply for revaluation. For that, this is the procedure. The first stage, student can request scan answer book, and in the second stage, they can apply for verification of marks or revaluation or both. But before that, they should remember few guidelines. Like first thing, all the request and payment are done only online, and no application after scheduled date and time or in offline will be accepted. Means you have to strictly follow the deadline. Then next one is, remember only one application for each step per candidate is acceptable. So in advance only you decide whether you want to apply for one subject or multiple subject, because once you have applied, no second opportunity will be given to you. And this point is very important because even a decrease of 1 marks will be affected. Means if you in rechecking there is -1, that will be in your report card. In case of change, whether increase or decrease, student have to surrender their mark sheet which they have received, then only they will be getting new mark statement or certificate. Next one is the scanned copy is on first come first basis. That means if you apply first, then you will be receiving the first copy first and so on. Next thing is, remember only those candidates who have applied for the photocopy, they are only eligible for revaluation. Otherwise you cannot apply for revaluation. Now let's see the schedule for that. This is the schedule for class 12. For applying for photocopy will start on 6th August and it will end on 7th August. Per subject scan copy is 700 rupees. Then revaluation and verification of marks will start on 13th August and it will end on 14th August. Verification is 500 rupees per answer book and revaluation is 100 rupees per question. Next one for class 10, you can obtain the photocopy. Time is 8th August to 9th August and charge is 500 rupees per subject. For verification and revaluation, it will start on 18th August and end on 19th August. Verification is 500 rupees per answer book and 100 rupees per question. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye, keep learning.